7 ways Sigma males show that they are dangerous. In the shadows of society's well-lit streets, there exists a figure often unnoticed yet profoundly influential: the Sigma male. Shrouded in mystery, these individuals defy the conventional archetypes of leadership and charisma. Unlike the alpha's overt dominance or the beta's quiet compliance, the Sigma male treads a path all their own. They are the lone wolves, the thinkers in solitude, the silent movers of change. Their presence is subtle, yet their impact is undeniable. Who are these enigmatic figures? What makes them tick? And more importantly, what hidden powers do they possess that can sway the course of events around them? As we delve into the world of Sigma males, we uncover 7 traits that, while admirable, also reveal a potentially dangerous edge. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. Going back to the video. 1. Independence and self-sufficiency. Sigma males are known for their strong sense of independence and self-sufficiency. This means they like to do things on their own and rarely depend on others for support or guidance. They trust their abilities and often find unique ways to solve problems without seeking help. This trait makes them very self-reliant and confident. However, this independence can be seen as dangerous. Because Sigma males are so self-reliant, they don't follow the crowd or depend on others. This makes them unpredictable. People around them might not know what they are planning or thinking. In a group or team, this can be challenging because Sigma males might choose to work alone instead of collaborating, which can lead to misunderstandings or conflicts. Moreover, their independence means they are not afraid to go against popular opinions or trends. They are comfortable being different and don't feel the need to fit in with what everyone else is doing. This can be dangerous because it shows they have the courage to challenge norms and can inspire change. They might question rules or ways of doing things that others accept without thinking. 2. Intense focus and determination. Sigma males often show a level of focus and determination that is much stronger than most people's. When they decide to achieve something, they put all their energy and attention into it. They don't easily get distracted or give up. This intense focus helps them reach their goals, even if they are challenging or take a long time. This trait can be seen as dangerous because it means Sigma males are very driven and hard to stop once they have set their mind on something. They can overcome obstacles that might stop others. This determination can be inspiring, but it can also be intimidating. 3. Strategic thinking. Sigma males are often strategic thinkers. This means they are good at making plans and thinking ahead. They can see the bigger picture and understand how different actions might affect the future. This ability to think and plan carefully is a big part of their success. Being a strategic thinker can be dangerous in several ways. First, Sigma males can be very good at predicting what might happen next. This makes them prepared for different situations, giving them an advantage over others who might not think so far ahead. For example, in a business setting, a Sigma male might anticipate market changes or competitor moves, positioning themselves for success. Second, their strategic thinking allows them to find the best way to achieve their goals, even if it's not the most obvious or traditional path. They are not afraid to try new methods or approaches, which can lead to innovative solutions. However, this can also make them unpredictable, as they might choose to act in ways that others don't expect. Third, Sigma males can use their strategic thinking to influence others. They know how to present their ideas and arguments in a way that convinces people. This can be beneficial, but it also means they have the power to sway opinions and decisions, which can be a form of control. 4. Emotional control. Sigma males are known for their emotional control. They don't usually show their feelings openly and can keep calm in stressful situations. This control over their emotions means they don't react quickly or without thinking. Instead, they take time to understand their feelings and choose how to respond. This emotional control can be dangerous for a few reasons. First, it makes Sigma males seem mysterious or hard to read. People around them might not know what they are feeling or thinking, which can be unsettling. In social or work situations, this can give Sigma males an advantage, as they can keep their true thoughts and intentions hidden. Second, their ability to stay calm and not get upset easily means they can handle pressure well. This can be intimidating to others, especially in competitive situations. For example, in a business negotiation, a Sigma male's calm demeanor can give them an edge, as they seem unbothered by stress or pressure. Third, Sigma males' emotional control allows them to make decisions based on logic and facts, rather than feelings. This can be dangerous because it means they can make tough choices that others might not, especially in situations where emotions are running high. 5. Non-conformity. Sigma males are often non-conformists. This means they don't always follow social norms or do what everyone else is doing. They are comfortable being different and don't feel the need to fit in with the crowd. This trait can make them stand out, but it also means they often challenge the status quo. Nonconformity can be dangerous because it leads Sigma males to question and challenge established ways of doing things. In a workplace, for example, a Sigma male might propose new and unconventional methods that could improve efficiency, but might also disrupt existing processes. Their willingness to defy norms can lead to innovation and progress, but it can also cause discomfort or resistance among those who prefer traditional ways. Additionally, Sigma males' nonconformity can inspire others to think differently. They often become role models for those who feel restricted by societal norms. However, this influence can be dangerous if it leads to challenging authority or rules without fully considering the consequences. Their nonconformist nature can sometimes lead to isolation, as they might not engage in popular activities or social events. This can make them seem aloof or detached, further adding to their enigmatic persona. 6. Charismatic leadership. Despite often being loners, Sigma males can exhibit charismatic leadership. They have a unique way of influencing and inspiring others, even without seeking a formal leadership role. Their charisma often comes from their confidence, intelligence, and unconventional approach to life. This form of leadership can be dangerous for several reasons. Sigma males can rally people around their ideas or causes, even if these are unconventional or challenging to the status quo. Their charisma can attract a following, which gives them significant influence. In a work setting, this can lead to major shifts in team dynamics or company direction, depending on the Sigma male's vision. Their ability to lead without asserting authority also means they can subtly influence decisions and actions. People might find themselves agreeing with a Sigma male or following their lead without fully understanding why. This kind of influence can be powerful, but also dangerous if it's not aligned with the group's best interests. However, because Sigma males are independent, their leadership style is often non-traditional. 7. Adaptability. Sigma males are highly adaptable. They can adjust to new situations and environments quickly, often finding innovative ways to deal with challenges. This adaptability is a key part of their success, as it allows them to thrive in various conditions. Adaptability can be dangerous because it means Sigma males are capable of handling change better than most. They can quickly assess a new situation and figure out the best way to approach it. This makes them effective in unpredictable environments, like fast-changing industries or emergency situations. Furthermore, Sigma males' adaptability allows them to blend into different social groups or environments easily. They can be charming and sociable when needed, but also independent and solitary. This flexibility can make them seem unpredictable or hard to understand. In the intricate tapestry of human personality, the Sigma male stands out as a unique and compelling thread. They weave their path, often unnoticed, yet leaving a distinct mark on the fabric of society. Their true power lies not just in what is seen and known, but in the mysteries that still linger in the shadows of their solitary walk. As we close this exploration, remember that the Sigma male's journey is not just about the traits that make them seem dangerous. It's about understanding the depths and complexities of a personality that refuses to be categorized or fully understood. If you enjoyed this video, Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.